Dear students and learners, a warm welcome to all of you to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. So, today's video lecture is about poetic appreciation of the poem 2.5 Father Returning Home, written by Dilip Chitre. Let's see the question. So, poetic appreciation question will come in your board examination. On question number 3b, question will be like, write the appreciation of the given poem with the help of the following points. And points will be like, about the poem, poet, and significance of the title, means importance of the title, theme or central idea of the poem, then poetic style, language and poetic devices used, special features, inspirational messages, values, morals reflected in the poem, and you will have to end your answer with your own opinion and critical evaluation about the poem. Now let's see the answer. In the first paragraph of your answer, you must mention the name of the poem and its writer, then the significance of the title. So the poem Father Returning Home is written by Dilip Chitre. The poem is about a lonely old man's coming home from a long day at work. The poet describes his silence. The poet describes his silent and lonely journey home in the crowded Mumbai local train. The poem is a metaphor for father's isolated life. Even though he is among people, the man carries a bag full of books. He is well read, maybe. The poem is written in a simple language. There is imagery and simile. The second part of the poem is about the man in his home. The meal he eats shows the poor quality as well as the careless way it is served. The family offers no company after his long day. He is a stranger among his family in his own home. His children don't speak to him. He goes to sleep thinking of the past and future. The message of the poem is that how the elderly are used by their own children but neglected when they need care. The poem teaches us how we should not behave to persons who are in the autumn of their life. Now let's see the key points for this answer of poetic appreciation. So about the poem, poet and title, you must remember Father Returning Home, the title of the poem, taken from Traveling in a Cage. So it is the name of a poetic collection. Dilip Chitre, this poem is written by Dilip Chitre. The theme is loneliness and world weariness of old man. Second theme is monotonous life of old man. Third theme is isolated from man-made world. Poetic style is consisting of 25 lines, skillful use of long lines with strong use of imagery presented in depressed tone. Simple and straightforward language, use of first and third person, descriptive words are used, use of alliteration, simile, onomatopoeia, etc. These are the figures of speech used in this poem. Special features are poem communicates the apathy of society towards old people. Poet sketches his father's imagery. Message, values and morals are love your parents and treat them with loving care. One person caring another represents life's values. Own opinion is, I find this poem highly applicable to today's modern world. A strong message is conveyed with simplicity. I salute the poet's keen observation of modern society. So that's all about the poetic appreciation of the poem Father Returning Home. If you have any query regarding this particular question, you can ask me in the comment box of this video. Thank you so much.